Foldable phones once felt like the future of mobile technology. But now a new idea is starting to take center stage: rollable or slidable displays. Instead of folding a screen in half, these devices allow the display to smoothly extend from the body of the phone. And according to industry rumors, Samsung may be preparing to lead this next wave of innovation. For several years, foldable phones have gained popularity. Devices like the Galaxy Z Fold series proved that flexible displays could work in everyday smartphones. However, one issue has always remained: the visible crease where the screen bends. While manufacturers have improved it over time, the crease is still noticeable. That is exactly the problem Samsung may be trying to solve with a new concept device reportedly called the Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G. If you're excited about the future of tech, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free, and it's the best way to stay updated on every major leak as it happens. Instead of using a hinge, the Galaxy Z Roll is rumored to feature a motorized sliding mechanism. The flexible display would stay rolled inside the phone's body and extend outward when needed. Because the screen rolls rather than folds, the surface could remain completely smooth, creating a seamless viewing experience without a crease. Early reports suggest the device could expand from a standard smartphone size into a massive 12.4-inch display. That would make it larger than many tablets currently on the market. The screen itself is expected to be a dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, capable of reaching around 3,000 nits of peak brightness. It may also support an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 144 Hz, allowing the display to automatically adjust depending on what you are doing, saving power during simple tasks and delivering ultra-smooth performance for gaming or scrolling. Samsung is also rumored to be developing a feature called Adaptive UI. This software would allow the screen to expand in multiple stages depending on the activity. For example, when editing a document, the display might stop at a 4:3 aspect ratio for better productivity. When watching movies, the phone could extend fully to a 21:9 cinematic format. Another interesting rumor suggests a built-in privacy display layer that limits viewing angles, making the screen difficult for people nearby to see. Inside, the phone could be powered by the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor. Some leaks claim it may use an advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process, which could significantly improve both performance and power efficiency. Battery capacity could also be a major highlight. Reports suggest the Galaxy Z Roll may include a massive 8,000 mAh battery, which is nearly double the capacity found in many current foldable devices. The camera system may also push smartphone photography further. Rumors mention a 324-megapixel primary sensor, possibly called the ISO HR1, designed to use advanced pixel binning technology for extremely detailed images. The phone could also feature a 50-megapixel periscope lens with 10x optical zoom for long-distance photography. For durability, Samsung may use a grade 5 titanium frame. The device is also expected to support the Samsung S Pen, offering an ultra-low 2.1 millisecond latency for writing and drawing. Industry analysts believe Samsung could officially reveal the Galaxy Z Roll 5G sometime in late 2026. If even part of these leaks prove accurate, rollable smartphones could represent the next major evolution in mobile design, possibly moving the industry beyond the era of foldable phones.